My name is Jonas Geda. I'm a neuropsychiatrist at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota. I would like to discuss the study we conducted about physical exercise in late life. And basically what we did is that we collected information on physical exercise and mental activity, and what we showed in the past is that physical exercise is associated with a decreased risk of mild cognitive impairment. And the question is, what is mild cognitive impairment, MCI? It is a condition, an intermediate stage between normal aging and dementia. And we also showed that in our own data, we also observed that mental activity such as knitting and quilting and reading, these types of activity seem to be associated with decreased risk of MCI as well. Therefore, what we did in this study is we wanted to know what the combined effect of physical exercise and mental activity is on the risk of MCI. And we examined this joint effect. We observed that engaging in both physical exercise, particularly moderate physical exercise, and also engaging in mental activity, particularly in computer use, these two, the combined activity of these two, is what we call has additive effect. It means there is synergistic interaction between these two conditions. It means the arithmetic sum of the two, the joint effect, is more than the expected arithmetic sum of the two. Therefore, we observed that engaging in these two activities, moderate physical exercise such as biking and vigorous walking, brisk walking, and mental activity, particularly computer activity, any type of computer activity, have a joint potentially beneficial effect in terms of protecting us or decreasing the risk of MCI. Well, we can ask one question. This effect, is it due to age? Is it due to gender? Is it due to education? Is it due to caloric intake? And is it due to medical comorbidity? Fortunately, we had anticipated these problems, and during our analysis, we have controlled for all these factors: age, gender, education, medical comorbidity, and caloric intake. Therefore, the observation we made is over and above expected due to these variables. Therefore, the next step, of course, is we observed this in a case control study. The next step is we need to further confirm our finding in a prospective cohort study. So this is basically a summary of our studies that we conducted here in Rochester, Minnesota, in the Mayo Clinic study of aging.